Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Zach here. We are replacing the whole tie rod assembly today, inside, outside, and on the other side, and then can't really see it from this side, but the sway bar end link. I don't know what I said sway bar end link for. There's no sway bar, but the little, the little shock, the steering dampener. You can kind of see it right there. But yeah, I already got the cotter pin off over here. I'll show you where the cotter pin is on the other side. Oh, just kidding. There is no cotter pin on this one. It's not even a castellated nut. It's a self-locking nut. So I lied. I will not show y'all. But usually it'll come through here. Like bink, bunk, bonk, like that. But you can see that now. Replacing that also. Replacing everything. It's going to be pretty much all new steering. Actually, it should be, because that's all that steers this thing. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty nice. Be pretty sick. So yeah, next step will be me hopefully taking tie rods off. I know a while back when I first got this, me and my grandpa tried changing this out, and that motherfucker did not want to budge. So I might have to run up to the auto parts store and get the thing where it pries it off. If the the B8, what is it? BFH doesn't want to do it. So yeah, let's see if I get it off. All right, goobers, got this set off on the driver's side. It was a pain in the ass, not gonna lie, but once I got it off, it was pretty easy. I had to run up the Harbor Freight to get this master of a tool right here. So what it'll do, say the tie rod's sitting here. All right, this will go in between the tie rod and the spindle. And then this little bottom bit right here will go onto the bottom side of the bolt. Hell, you won't even need it on there, to be honest, because, I mean, you're changing it out for a reason. Who cares if the threads get fucked up? And then you just, like that, and it'll, drag the bolt up. Once it gets pretty tight, you can kind of let go. And eventually it'll just go pop, and loud ass pop noise and come off. So yeah, did this side. Now to do the other side. I think I already did that, or no, I did that one right here, but I gotta do that there. And then I'll do the other side, but I also got to get the steering dampener off also, because I got a new one of those. If you could look and see there, it's like a bunch of grease on it, so it already looks bad. So good thing I got a new one. So yeah, let's see. All right, to take that steering dampener thing off, it's actually a, what was it? I think it was a 17. Yeah, it was a 17 millimeter bolt. I'm not gonna take it off on the tie rod because, I mean, I got a new one and there's no need for me to take it off of that. So I'm just gonna take it all out as a unit. But this is how you set that up. Have it on the nut. I mean, could just take the nut off, but it'd be fine. Wedge that up in there. All right, screw this with a 19. Let's see if I can get it going the right way. Nope, that is the wrong way. I don't know my left from my right, obviously. I am from Polk County, so it's kind of a no shit right there. Okay, but y'all get the idea. You tighten it up and it'll pop off, and once this comes off, it'll all come out. I put the new shit in, and then bada bing, bada boom, brand new. So yeah, next clip will be this all out, hopefully, unless I mess something up and I gotta show y'all. All right, upon looking at these things, since I got them out, the inside ones look pretty new. I mean, like, look at the jam nut there, that looks new. Even that looks good. It's just the outside ones. But I mean, realistically, these are all kind of covered too, from the pan on top by the fuel tank. Look at that. Heck no. Now let's take a gander at these parts here that I got. This will be the outside one. This is the other one. And then this is the dampener. hell out of the way there. Boom. That looks a lot better. That looks good. That looks good. This old girl don't drive good. If y'all needed the part numbers also for these, this is the left side. Steering damper. And the right side. I'll also put it up on the screen here. Nonetheless, let's stop being goobers and let's get these bad boys on. This thing gonna be riding nice. The old dirty Smurf. Okie dokie. So now what we're going to do, we're going to try to align these up, same measurements, you know. But first off, I want to give a quick shout out to my Uncle Jimmy, for leaving this in my truck a while back whenever we were building a speaker box. Normally I ain't got no fancy tools like that. I got the Harbor Freight specials. But yeah, so what you do it from the center of the circle to the other center. And some people get it wrong where they're turning this, but all you gotta do is just turn old girl right here. And it'll spin it out, spin it in, you know, science and shit. But yeah, measure that, pop these into place, and spin it. So yeah, that's all you got to do. So see if I can angle this so I can do it like that. So I'll kind of give y'all an idea. You know, it'll be like halfway, bink, to the other halfway over here, bink. Get your measurement, put it over to that one, call it a day. That'll get you a good enough alignment so you can get over to the alignment shop. In my case, it'll be Tires Plus Saturday. So shout out to them for being like the only damn shop around here in Lakeland that will do an alignment on old bug. So yeah, see it whenever we get all these fancy parts on here. All right, guys, got everything in. I think I got it aligned good enough. All I did was just, you know, that looks good, you gotta twist it this way, that type of alignment. But I don't know the torques for anything. This is a German car, so you know, you gotta hit it with the German torque. Guten tight. That's German for fucking just crank that thing, you know, hit it with that Soldier Boy crank, you know. So yeah, that's how you change it all out, you know, super easy. Yeah, but man, don't that look good? Don't that look good? But yeah, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this kind of informational video, not really informational, but you know, make sure y'all like, comment, what y'all would like to see next. I got another video I think I'm gonna make maybe tomorrow or another day or something, about putting some mud flaps on here. So yeah, that should be pretty good. Yeah, make sure y'all share it too, you know. So I'll put the statistics up on the screen. Only a percentage of y'all that watch this is subscribed. It's kind of outrageous if you ask me, but you know, I ain't judging. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share with your grandma or your goldfish, or hell, even your teddy bear, man. I ain't judging. But yeah, peace.